Like last year, we made a Ramadan box, and in it I put a few activities that the kids could just get on with by themselves, although I'll be honest, I did have to be by their side for those as well. So I'm just going to show you what's inside quickly. Lots of colouring sheets. My kids love Mendi, henna, so I've just printed a whole load from Twinkle and love the designs. So nice and easy colouring sheets. There's this lovely one from the Muslim Stickers for Hiba. And then this great activity booklet by the Little Explorers for Amara, and I'm sure Hiba could get round to looking at some of this, or maybe we could photocopy some of it for her. So there's join the dots and mazes and all sorts, and it's really nice, I like it. And then I mentioned this already, the Ramadan moon diaries. So I just got the same Twinkle sheet that I mentioned I was going to use. There it is. And just to make it look a bit more, I don't know, sturdy, I glued it to a black piece of paper and just gave it a nice shiny colour. I found this lovely word search on Twinkle, and Amara's really getting into them. She does get frustrated at some points, but it'll be good practice for her to find some of the words related to Ramadan. And then I also created these story squares, a bit like the story stones, but I call them story squares. So I'm looking forward to using these in Ramadan as well. And then a quick, easy how to make a Ramadan paper lantern. And then what have we got? The same stuff that I mentioned earlier, the words from the Quran, the ayahs, and then this really cute camel activity which Amara really likes. And I'm pretty sure I also got this from the Odd Muslimah. She'll have to correct me if I haven't. But yeah, I got it free, I'm guessing, in some giveaway. And Hiba really loves this. And then more colouring sheets that we picked up when we went to Malaysia. Lots of pretty Islamic designs. That is going to keep them busy for hours. I love that they love colouring now. It's great. The girls already decorated their good deed jars, and inside are the good deeds. We've got one in Arabic, one set in Arabic and one in English. And each day they'll be opening them up and they'll be putting them inside this part of our calendar. So these activities, I'm hoping they just kind of do while I'm cooking or reciting Quran and I'm sort of in the room. So it doesn't require a lot of effort and time from myself, and I just need to oversee it. They also really liked the activities that were mentioned by Iman, who runs, and then she said, really lovely packs that she put together. So I'll put a link out if you want to check out her activity packs as well. They'll be great.
Hands held high, with tears in his eyes, asking for forgiveness and paradise. Ooh, come out soon, we're off to see the Ramadan.